Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's enter reset options, and as you can see here we've got two options which are connected with resetting the networks. So mobile network settings or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can do it separately. So let's start with mobile network settings. Simply tap on the option and tap on reset settings. Your device will inform you that you cannot undo this action, so be aware and tap on reset settings. As you can see we've got this information, so we've just successfully completed this operation. We can start resetting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It is even easier. Simply tap on it. Here we've got everything in this one pop-out window, so we do not have the steps of resetting. So let's tap on reset, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.